Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can remove camera icon or camera shortcut on the lock screen. See, right now I'm locking the screen with the power button here. So this is on the lock screen, right? The lock screen wallpaper, time display. At the bottom, you'll see two shortcuts. Again, yeah. One is flashlight and one is camera. Means when I touch on this, the flash camera already is turned on without me unlocking my mobile. Likewise, you can access the camera without unlock. So few people are saying like when you keep this mobile in the pocket, uh, accidentally this camera is getting opened due to the mistouch. So how you can remove this? You can easily remove this. First of all, unlock your phone. So you need to click on Android phone settings, right? And here scroll down until you see personalize. Click on personalize. Then click on this lock screen. Now here, whether you can see or not, there is a camera symbol. Tap on this and just keep nothing or something else. Maybe this time I'll be keeping nothing and close it and press this back button. That's it. Now just check once. Locking. I just unlocked the screen. The camera shortcut on the lock screen was removed. Say for example, this is the Motorola mobile. If your mobile is different, if your phone have different UI, different options other than this, you can press and hold on the home screen. Simply you will see something like lock screen settings or personalize or something like that. So even if you find home settings here, somewhere you will find this lock screen settings, then you can remove, or you can directly click on personalize and then click on lock screen and you can remove this. I hope this video helps. If it is helpful, please do hit a like and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.